We are globetrotting through retirement at one of the best aquariums in the Midwest, SeaLife Kansas City. This is part of a worldwide group of over 50 aquariums. It offers immersive underwater experiences packed with fun, interactive, and educational displays perfect for the family. Our grandkids have a blast starting at the Touch Tank Rock Pool, a hands-on experience with fascinating sea creatures.
I think it's really just an educational experience. Some kids are very tactile. They really want to get that touch in there. It helps people learn things. Really hands-on. I think helps a lot of people sort of have information stick. And yeah, it's just a really interesting and unique experience for people to be able to interact with sea life.
So tell me, what do you think?
It looks like an axolotl mixed with a swordfish.
They are captivated by the Leafy sea dragons. They look like seahorses.
So that long straw-like tube that they have, that's what we call a fused jaw. So unlike us, they can't open and close their mouth, they can't chew things up. Yeah, so they can't store food the way that we can. Instead, they actually have to eat all day long, so they're constantly eating, digesting, and pooping.
Hi folks, welcome to the Stingray Bay. If any of you are interested, we let you feed our animals for $5 a portion. Feed them shrimp. It's all restaurant quality seafood. Everything we feed our animals here comes from restaurant sources. So it is the same stuff that you would get if you went out to a restaurant and ordered it. Of course, we don't cook anything for our animals here. They don't need it to be cooked.
Feeding the stingrays is also another highlight that brings smiles all around.
Hammerhead shark.
And before we wrap it up, we discover the Doodle Reef, a super fun interactive exhibit where kids create their own fish drawings and watch them swim on a big screen alongside other digital fish. It's very cool. This is a fantastic way to blend creativity with technology and marine life education. SeaLife Kansas City, a perfect spot to spend a couple of hours with grandkids or the family while visiting the city. From hands-on exhibits to amazing sea creatures, there's truly something for everyone here. Stay tuned for our next adventures as we continue globetrotting through retirement.